Just imagine a 260% profit in less than 9 weeks with an excellent win rate and a risk that's almost close to zero. Are you ready to learn this amazing strategy? Hello guys, today I have a scalping strategy for you that you can easily use on Bitcoin and make the most of market fluctuations. If you're looking for a practical and profitable method, this video is just for you. Well, you all know that you need to go to the TradingView website. After, choose your symbol from this section. You know that you can select various symbols for this strategy, symbols from the forex market, crypto, or even the stock market. However, you should know that not all win rates will be the same. Now, after selecting your symbol, you need to set your time frame to 5 minutes. You can also choose a 15-minute time frame, but you know you have to backtest it and the win rate might differ from what I mentioned. Now, enter the indicators section and type in the search box swing, high, low, support and resistance. Find it, click on it to add it to the chart. Now, we need to go into its settings because its default settings aren't very accurate, so we will change the numbers you see together. You can also go into the Style tab and customize this indicator a bit there. As the name of this indicator suggests, we're looking at the series of lines on the chart as support and resistance, which are very important for us, and many traders base their trades and strategies solely on these lines. For those who don't know what these lines are, let me tell you that resistance lines actually prevent prices from rising and act as a barrier against price increases in an uptrend. Support lines are those that prevent prices from falling too much. Therefore, when the price hits these lines, it has two reactions. It can either break through these lines or bounce back from them. We use the break of these lines and consider these breakout points as entry points for our strategy. Now, we need to know that one indicator doesn't always give us a high win rate, so we need to add other indicators as well. In this strategy, we only need one more indicator. So we go back to the Indicators tab and search for Impulse MACD. When we find it, we click on it to add it to the chart. Now we enter its settings and make some changes inside it. Now that we have done everything correctly, it's time to know how to profit from our trades. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, my friends. Alright, let's get to our buy order. First of all, we need to look for a buy signal, which means we should search for a candle that has strongly broken through a resistance level. After that, we need to check the MACD indicator and make sure it's in the green and upward area. When these two conditions are met, we realize that we have found the right entry point. Now we can set our stop loss just below the broken resistance level or slightly above the previous support level. Choosing the first option increases our risk, while the second option decreases it. The choice is yours. Now enter the buy trade, and for the take profit, just consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for your take profit to be hit. For a sell order, we first need to look for a sell signal, which means finding a point where our support level has been broken downwards. After that, we need to ensure that our MACD indicator is red here and shows a downtrend. Now that all conditions are met, we can consider this point as our entry point and set our stop loss similarly to the buy trade, either slightly above the broken support level or just below the previous resistance level. Now we enter the sell trade and also set our risk to reward ratio at 1 to 1.5 for the take profit. Now we just need to wait for the price to reach the take profit level and close the trade with a profit. Well friends, try this strategy and definitely let me know your results in the comments. I hope it helps you make more profit just like it did for me. If you enjoyed the video, Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like it so you don't miss any of the upcoming exciting and profitable strategies. I'm looking forward to your feedback and wish you great success and big profits.